Namaste. Myself Dr. Pushpa Kumawat, Assistant Professor of Department of Homeopathy Pharmacy, Faculty of Homeopathy Science at the Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today's the topic is introduction and explain the history of pharmacy. Uh, let's start the topic. The history of pharmacy is the is history of medicine. It is very difficult to begin and out of the point of just beginning because of the it is the view subject to discuss about the history. It related the beginning of mankind. No documentation or evidence in the respect of historical development of pharmacology can be traced out and cannot be found. Fighting with the drug is a timeless struggle or timeless complicated. It is beginning echoed out of primitive age when the men used to stay in jungle. Survival of a better health, either individually or community-wise, he dependent partially upon the success of pharmacology and pharmacy. The invention of writing marked the dawn of recorded history. Earliest written document was found in Egypt, that is the Egyptian history or Egyptian papyri. The list of remedies were appropriate spell of in cas in carcinations. The medicine chest box of a Egyptian queen of that period, containing bears, spoons, dried drugs, and fruits, and the important finding in interpreting their medical thoughts. It was based on the magical and religious belief connected with the entry of evil into the human body of the patients, and the treatment was given by treatment was given by the witch and priest. The earliest concept of medicine in India is seen the scared writing of Veda and especially Atharvaveda, which according to the some authorities, the data break of the second millennium, the period of Vedic the medicine lasted about the 800 BC. The Veda are full rich and full of knowledge of the magic practice and treatment of disease, and full of the knowledge of past medicines and treatment, and the way of treatment, method of surgeries. From the Atharvaveda developed the science of Ayurveda around 1800 and 5000 before Christ. Most important medicinal treatise of that period are Charak Sahita and Sushur Sahita. Indian therapeutic were largely dietetic and medicinal. Dietetic treatment was important and precede any medicinal treatment. The Indian Mathematics was extensive and consisted mainly of the vegetable drugs, all of which were from indigenous plants. Charak knew 500 medicinal plants and Sushruta knew 760 medicinal plants. Animal remedies such as the milk of various animals, bones, gallstone, and minerals like sulfur, gold, lead, etc., were used as a medicine. The physician collect and prepare their own drugs. Many medicinal plants like cardamom, cinnamon, etc., found their way into the Western. Also found the Western pharmacopoeias. Alcohol seems to have been used as a narcotic during operations in previous era. Chinese medicine also a great part in the pharmacology in old and new era. Most of Chinese medicinal literature is found in ancient work called as Ni Ching. Emperor of Huang Ti was a author. Li Xin Chen is the author of Great Chinese Pharmacopoeia. In addition of these were the elements of the sympathetic magic and doctrine of signature. Among the drugs taken over the Western medicine from the Chinese are aconite, camphor, cannabis sativa, iron, rhubarb, etc. Their moxibutions and acupuncture techniques are now practiced around the world in the present day. Hydrotherapy and vaccination were properly introduced by the Chinese pharmacology or Chinese therapy. Early Greek and Roman medicine believed in supernatural influences. Greek philosophy refused to believe the supernatural theory after that. They set out to find of the answer, the cause and reason to the strange way of nature. The medical fraternity was the process to shedding of the concept of magic and religion by the time of Hippocrates was born. That is 460 before Christ. He viewed disease the respect of the patient and his environment. He studied the patient and not the disease. He found the logical method of clinical observation. He mentioned about the doldrum socialist, meaning one pain to cure another. They came the pupil of Plato, tutor of Alexander the Great, Aristotle. He laid the foundation of comparative anatomy and embryology. A great physician of the second century was Galen. He laid the great straits of the study of anatomy and physiology. After the fall of Roman culture, the early middle of the field of medicine remained stringent for a long time. Revival of medicine took place during the Renaissance movement of 14th, 15th, and 16th century. Paracelsus was a strange economist of 16th century. He simplified the prescribing and introduced chemical drugs in place of vegetable remedies. 17th century onwards, the were rapid stride in the field of medicine. William Harvey discovered circulation of blood. Marcelo Murphy saw a network of tiny blood vessels in the lungs of frogs. Richard Lower the in interaction between air and blood. They also discovered the oxygen. Anthony von Leeuwenhoek invented the microscope, the greatest finding in the 18th century by the science of homeopathy by Master Hahnemann. Another important discovery was vaccination by Edward Jenner. By the beginning of 19th century, the structure of human body was fully known and concentration was on the advancement knowledge of pathology and conclusive verification of the germ theory by Louis Pasteur, Joseph Lister and Robert Koch. By the end of the 19th century, causes of many mosquito-borne diseases were discovered. Sir Ross, Carlo Filri, Sir Patrick Manson, etc. was involved in this work. The 20th century was the discovery of antibiotic penicillin by Alexander Fleming. It is revolutionized modern medicine. Isolation of insulin in 91 came as a bone of the diabetic, and many other discoveries and inventions were made to make the world better place of mankind. Beginning of 20th century also saw formulation of law of heredity by the George John Mendel. Today, biotechnology is the buzzword. It came into the limelight because of the heartbreaking breakthrough recombination of DNA technology. Hope you understand the history of whole history of the pharmacy and pharmacology and the treatment of previous era. Thank you. Namaste.